As a Nigerian, if you ever live close to a church or in the middle of the night, you do not sleep very well, and early in the morning you want your nice and quiet sleep, and a church close by is making noise, you understand perfectly very well this video I'm about to show you. A man is using a cutlass to chase people in a night program, in vigil night program, somewhere in Umuahia. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. On this episode of Waiting the Sup in this country, take a look at this video. Njakiri go back, jokes apart, this man is saying what plenty people in this country want to say, especially those people living close by all these churches that make noise, because Nigerians prefer going to church rather than going to work. Okay, because tell me why somebody will build a church in a residential area where people are living most 5 days of the week, vigil. Churches are supposed to be far away from where a residential area is, in such a way that most times when they are praying, the noise will not be disrupting people's sleep. This man you see here, so people are dragging him. Nigerians are dragging this man, but you know that this man, this thing that they are saying, some people are even saying that this man is trying this thing in Christian churches, that he should go and try it with Muslim people. He will see the taste of his own medicine. Anyway, we are all saying that what I'm saying in essence is noise pollution, it disturbs your soul and your body. You cannot function very well with a disturbing soul. You need your rest. People need their peaceful night's rest. If your rest is being disturbed, at some point you will lose it, and this is what this man is doing. I don't want to say too much about this video, because this man is saying mostly what most people want to say. All these churches, they can make noise. Early in the morning, you want to sleep, you want to round up your sleep, somebody somewhere is telling you that you should stop seeing Emeka that you know that is curing your stress level. I don't understand. The whole truth is that the man, he don't tire for the noise. Somebody, look at this man's age, for Christ's sake. This man needs serenity. Some people in this country don't have the common sense that we need our serenity. You need your calm and your peacefulness in your house. If you want noise, go to Oshodi or Piweka. That's where you go. Loud noise. In the night, people need their rest. So if any church is buying land close to your house, you know what is at stake. Do you know that in that church that you see now, nowadays, is somebody's full-time business? Somebody is there doing one or two things, but the thing is, there are people that are jobless set of people, jobless. Now in Nigeria now, we all know that most of these churches are personal business, that if you're not paying, I made a video about a man chasing people out of the church because they know they pay. Those people, they don't bring plenty money, they know they pay, so they need to go. Okay, so if you are doing your full-time business, shout out to the people that are working for God, but no shout out to those people that are out there looking for money, because once they know that, see, in this country, in Africa, church business can never run out. They are making money. Please and please, If it's your full-time business, look for somewhere else that is far away from where people are living and do your business. Stop disturbing our sleep, because the economy of this country is not telling us the truth. We are in January, and the Tinubu economy, they smile, coupled with the tax that is coming up. So however you feel, however you want to come for me on the comment section, I'm there waiting for you. Okay? However you feel, put it on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella on Waiting Dey Sup. Peace out.